Are you wondering what web consultation entails? Welcome to ClickDo. We're here to guide you through the world of web consulting, whether you're a business seeking expertise or a professional ready to join this dynamic field. In our guide, we delve into what a web consultant does and what web consulting is about. Get inspired and learn more by heading to www.clickdo.co.uk/whatisawebconsultant. A web development consultant is like your digital guide, helping you navigate the complexities of web design, development, and marketing. They offer practical solutions to enhance your website and, ultimately, your business. At ClickDo, our web consultants offer a range of services, including website design, development, marketing strategies, and SEO optimization. So, what exactly does a web consultant do? Their main role is to make sure your website is not just functional, but also engaging, intuitive, and optimized. From rebuilding or refreshing your site, ensuring SEO optimization, to troubleshooting technical issues, a web consultant is the bridge between your brand and its potential online success. Thinking of becoming a web consultant? You'll need a mix of skills, like knowing how to code to keep websites running smoothly, and being creative to design graphics and layouts that attract and engage your audience. But technical expertise alone isn't enough. Strong interpersonal and communication skills are just as crucial. By closely collaborating with clients, understanding their vision, and offering personalized solutions, they ensure that every project reflects the client's unique goals and aspirations. Want to make your mark in the digital world? At ClickDo, we help businesses stand out and aspiring web consultants succeed. With our expert support, your success is within reach. Ready to take that step? Visit our website or get in touch with us today to explore how we can boost your online presence, or join our amazing team and turn your passion into a thriving career.